Today is the day of our ideal, Venerable Dan Vajra sir. This day, it not only his passing day, but also the remembrance day of to all of us. And on this day, I would like to give tribute to him from Urgen Sangharakshita International School. Today is a very precious day for all of us. And why it is so called? Why it is the so precious day to all? We all know that the importance of this day. What is the importance of this day? Everyone has very well known about the day. Today is the remembrance of Dan Vajra sir. The remembrance of his whole work, not only the only thing, but we should remember his whole work that he had done for all the society. I remember on this day a few lines that I should say. इतकं जगून झालं पण जगायलाच वेळ नाही. इतकं जगून झालं पण जगायलाच वेळ नाही. जगतो आहे समाजासाठी सामान्यांचा खेळ नाही. जगतो आहे समाजासाठी सामान्यांचा खेळ नाही. अजून वेळ आहे, अजून वेळ आहे, थोडं तरी जगून घ्या. सुंदर अशा जगण्याला डोळे भरून बघून घ्या. सुंदर अशा जगण्याला डोळे भरून बघून घ्या. His work is very whole, deep and vast that cannot be expressed in a few words, in a few lines. But I would like, we also should to say something on this day. I want to say something important point in his life that I would like to refer here. The most important thing, the most enormous work in front of us. I would like to say the main thing that he has done in his life. Around 1980, he started his social work. He started something for our society. And the another thing that he had founded on October 14, 1983, the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Credit Cooperative Society, and 1984, Nakse Gyan Prasarak Mandal as an educational society was founded. This is a very big and enormous achievement by Dan Vajra sir. Dan Vajra sir is not the person, not only the person like a common that I can't say anymore. I have no dare to say something on this day, but he gave me an encouragement, an inspiration to say something by standing here. He started the struggle with no political, social and financial support. Without any support, he has achieved his big goal in his life. Meera Rakshit, his wife, always supported him in his social work, in his struggle and every problem in his life. One by one, आनंद माध्यमिक मराठी शाळा, आनंद प्राथमिक मराठी शाळा, आनंद माध्यमिक हायस्कूल and the only Urgen Sangharakshita International School was founded by him. He has also developed the Trailokya Bodha Mahasangha in August 1987. I think I have no detailed information about it, but I am trying to tell the year. I am not confirmed about it. His work is innumerable. His work cannot be expressed. His life in this work made our life more grateful and easier. He had some different approach, and that's why he had succeeded in his life to achieve his goal. He has founded this enormous big institution. And why did he founded that? What is the aim behind it? From this, he had viewed the every person in a lower class society or poor people have get a chance, an opportunity to and also get the means of livelihood from this institution and this school also. We know that he has endured very much opposition by the other societies, but he never gave up, and this opposition made himself more ambitious. From that opposition, he fulfilled his goal, his ambition. This happened only due to his strong willpower and his determination. Whenever he used to come in Urgin Sangarakshita school. He always asked about our problems and what are the things that we want, and always speak very friendly like our parents also. That are the various things that he had done to every person in, I think, not only our class, our society, but other people also. Whenever he had some problems, when we have some problems, he always help us. I think he has given his more sacrifices, his struggle in his life for us, and that's why we should be grateful for him. His contribution in various fields is uncountable and can't explain in a few times. So this day is, I think, this day is not a sorrow or a crying day. I think this day make us more courageous, more inspirational. We should learn from him what is his goal in his life. We should fulfill his goal, his determination or his ambition that he had decided to fulfill in the past. And for our management, for that, we should cooperate our management to fulfill his ambition. Look at his image. How his image is. What an honesty. What an honesty, a struggle and hard work shine on his face. And from that, we should also learn something, to do something for the lower class or the people who are needed for the help of something. Now, I would like to conclude by saying the word that has been written by Kusumagraj. I would like to say the word for him because he always makes us inspirational, and that's why I will say that. मी एक कविता म्हणणार आहे कुसुमाग्रजांची, की that is suitable for this condition and all of us also. ओळखलत का सर मला पावसात आला कोणी, कपडे होते कर्दमलेले केसांवरती पाणी, भिंत खचली चूल विझली होते नव्हते गेले, भिंत खचली चूल विझली होते नव्हते गेले, प्रसाद म्हणून पापण्यांमध्ये पाणी थोडे ठेवले, खिशाकडे हात जाताच हसत हसत उठला, खिशाकडे हात जाताच हसत हसत उठला, पैसे नकोत सर मला एकटेपणा वाटला, पैसे नकोत सर मला एकटेपणा वाटला, मोडून पडला संसार तरी मोडला नाही कणा, मोडून पडला संसार तरी मोडला नाही कणा, पाठीवरती हात ठेवून फक्त लढ म्हणा, पाठीवरती हात ठेवून फक्त लढ म्हणा,